Hey Dermstore followers, I'm Caitlin and I am Dermstore's community manager.
And I'm Sophia and I'm a social media strategist here at Dermstore. And we are here today to talk about the holiday gift guide for the natural skincare category.
We love natural here at Dermstore, which is kind of a vague category that can include anything from organic skincare, cruelty-free, vegan, anything that's free of parabens and potential irritants, making it really great for sensitive skin.
The kit we're going to start with today is our Beauty Expert Top Pick from Eminence Organic. This is actually one of our best-selling skincare brands in the natural category. Also, the products, they smell so good because they're all made out of fresh and natural produce. So sometimes I'm even tempted to eat my face mask.
Don't do that.
I won't do
We
that.
don't condone that.
All right, here you go.
Let's get into what's inside. First, we have one of their best-selling cleansers, and it's the Stone Crop Gel Wash. If you have sensitive, dry, or normal skin, this is great for you because it cleanses your skin and purifies it without drying it out too much, so you don't get that weird tight feeling after you're done cleansing. Next in the kit, we have the Bamboo Age Corrective Mask, which is an awesome anti-aging product, especially for those of you with sensitive skin. It contains a natural form of retinol, so it's derived from plants. It doesn't give you the redness or the flakiness or the irritation that you would get from a normal retinol, so it's just a really great product.
So if you're trying to ease yourself into anti-aging products, this is a really good direction to go.
So on to products that smell so good that you might eat them. The Coconut Age Corrective Moisturizer is an amazing product to use day or night. It's super great for hydrating and nourishing your skin without looking greasy.
And it also contains grapeseed oil, which also provides like a little bit of an extra boost in the anti-aging battle that we're all fighting.
And so lastly, we have the Rosehip Triple C and E Firming Oil. And if you're like me and your skin tends to look dull and lifeless, this product is amazing because it just gives you that really natural glow while it's helping to give your skin some antioxidant protection and also help with anti-aging. Next up, we have this amazing value gift set from Juice Beauty. It is a $118 value and we're selling it for $49.
That's like over 50% in savings, which is pretty unheard of and definitely one of our best valued kits for the whole holiday season.
So Juice Beauty, they are Leaping Bunny and PETA certified. So if you are shopping for somebody who is a vegan or really cares about the animals, then this is the brand for them. So the nice thing about this gift set is that it is a complete skincare routine. So for somebody who might be a little hesitant to get into skincare, this is it. This is all they need right here. It's 4 products. They're easy to use.
So let's get into what's in the kit. Starting off, they have the Green Apple Cleansing Gel. This is a really great cleanser because it's non-stripping and it also has vitamins A and E. And then the second product in this kit is the Green Apple Exfoliating Peel Mask. And exfoliation is a really key step in any skin routine because it helps you get rid of all the dead skin cells so that you can reveal your more bright and young skin. This one especially is great because it has 2 different types of vitamin C and vitamin A. So you're getting that brightening component and you're also getting anti-aging.
Yeah, and one of the great things about exfoliation is that it actually helps with the next step in your routine. So it helps your products absorb better because they're not clogged by dead skin cells and whatever else may be left over from cleansing.
And then the third product in this kit is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. And this serum is actually a really important step because it penetrates more deeply into your skin and you're gonna be giving it all the treatment that it needs. So it's kind of like a triple threat. It has anti-aging, brightening, and hydration. Okay, so the fourth product in this kit is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. And this moisturizer is really rich and luscious. I love the way it feels, especially like now that it's winter time. I feel like my skin really just eats it up.
Thank you so much for tuning in today and listening to our gift guide for the natural category.
Thank you so much and happy holidays.